Hello, I'm Derek, and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you'll learn about things that will help you in everyday life. Now, do you want a clean AC unit that looks like this? Or would you want one that's all filled with grime and grit and dust and everything, and it's making it hard for your AC unit to breathe? Because essentially, that's what it's doing. It's breathing in all this air and all this gunk, and you need to keep those passages as clean as possible. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Stay tuned. So first and foremost, you want to be safe. So you want to make sure you turn off the power to the AC unit. So first you want to do is you want to turn off the thermostat inside the house. And then second, you can also turn off the circuit breaker inside the house. And then lastly, you want to come over here and you're going to turn off the power to the outside unit. So what you want to do is you might have a switch here, or you might have to pull the breaker, just like so. So now what I want to do is remove the electrical panel just to kind of check for the inside to make sure no critters or anything have made a little nest in here, or also if a spider has made kind of a little hive in here as well and messed up any of the connections. So we're going to take that off first, and then we'll clean out the unit. Now this isn't bad at all, just a few spider webs, but since we have it open, might as well take the shop vac and blow it out. So next what we need to do is remove the top so we can take the fan off, so we can get inside. Since this is the first time I'm cleaning this AC unit, I would like to clean the inside. Also, it's a good recommendation to clean from the inside out. There are a lot of people that will say you can clean from the outside, but since this is, like I said, the first time, I'd rather clean it from the inside out. Plus, I just feel better about that. But it's up to you whether you want to clean it from the inside out or outside in. I'd just rather shoot it all out instead of shooting it in, but a lot of people say it doesn't make a difference. That's just my personal preference. So let's take this off. So you want to be careful because there's a cord that goes to the fan. You don't want to pull that out. Now here's a better look inside, how dirty it is, and you can see kind of all the grime I'm going to flush out. So most of this I will take out by hand, and then whatever's left I'll just use the shop vac. You want to make sure that you're very careful with these little fins that are all around here. They're very delicate, so just don't touch them. So now what you want to do is clean out the inside with the hose. You want to make sure you put this on a low setting, because like I said, the fins inside are very sensitive and you don't want to bend them. So you don't want too much pressure pushing up against them. Also, some people like to use a coil cleaner in order to get a deep clean. It's supposed to foam up and get all the little particles out. I personally don't like to use chemicals whenever possible, so I think it gets clean enough with just the water, but it's personal preference. As you can see, there's still a little bit of grime in there, but I'll clean that out next year. It's not too bad, so I'm not too worried about it. But as you can see, it looks a lot better than it did before. This is how the unit breathes. So if you put all this gunk in front of your face, it'd be hard for you to breathe. And that's what the air conditioner needs, a clear path to breathe. Now the only thing left to do now is put everything back together.